Let's create an agentic process using our agents to extract information from documents and create standardized client proposals. Go to the Agentic Processes section and select New Process. Begin by giving your process a name and a description. Then, click on Start to define the action that will trigger the process. This will be our initial signal. Define a signal name and determine whether the trigger is a user action or the result of another task, like a generated document. Next, add a task to the process and select an agent to execute it. In this case, the task will be extracting data from a document. Provide a task name and establish an input. In this case, our unformatted original client proposal. Finally, define a task output, like extracted raw data. Now you can add a second task and select the agent to execute it. This task will be generating a standardized client proposal based on the information extracted in the previous task and a proposal template. Provide a task name and establish the task's input and output. Finally, define a set of instructions the agent will follow to execute the task, like generating a Google document with the final proposal. When your process is complete, add a Finish component, and that's it. You can now publish and test your agentic process, which will be ready to run.